Here we go, Top. We got Frost.
Yeah. Frost.
We got the boy Prophet.
Prophet.
Here we go.
Sauce.
211.
Chicken nuggets. Rose sauce.
Hey.
With the chicken nugget ramen noodle sauce here, bro.
Bro.
No counts for the sauce.
Hold on.
Yeah.
My bad shit. Let's get random talking.
I can make a rap
Right
about
now.
you if you really want me to, then I can do that.
Hey, look everybody.
Hold on, I know a Brianna, and she real bad. Her name is Brianna. Well, she kind of short and she got some black hair. If you want to see it, yo, she's chilling right there. Wait battle while we pause for a minute. Now turn it back, then I'll get right back in it. You just tell me the record, and I guarantee I'll spin it. Now is it that I'm doing these facts, or is it that people like me so they be coming back? Because I keep the right work, so I get the right shit. 1, 2, 1, 2. I got a mic check.
No.
No.
Damn.
You don't need no plate. No. Anyway, go ahead and hit him in the jaw. If that's my dog, I'm sorry, but I gotta step on his paw. You gotta back up before you get hit like a Mack truck. Talk stupid to a nigga like me, you get smacked up. Pistol to your face, you jacked up. It's like acting school. Just tell a nigga to act up.
My pistol stay comfortably up in my jabos. Shit, if I get too drunk, still I bloody my foes. I got my Timberlands on and my pimpin' is strong. Yeah, I guess you could say that's the type of shit that I'm on. I'm on that Bacardi and a Ferrari, and I'm sorry if a motherfucker just smack your body to the back of this club. Fake love, give a fuck, and niggas don't wanna fuck. Put my middle finger up, say what's up. Throw a blood inside of my mouth like magic. Shit come back, cause a nigga straight drastic. I don't give a fuck. Niggas act up, get smacked up. Nigga back the fuck up. Oh, yeah, I was.
I wanna be in the rap.
If I also go back, I must.
Hold on. Okay,
I'm just gonna talk about marijuana.
We love marijuana. Marijuana. I married Juana, so she keeps me high, and I just get her by, and every time she's at my feet, I pick her up, and we get fly. You get it? It's simple. It's something like a jet. I know you like me, cause my name is Frost, and I be your connect, and a lot of people be liking me, and they respect my work. But I respect the white. And I just smoke the perk. See, I know these people crazy, and I know that I ain't lazy, and I never let these motherfuckers go and phase me. But me, I'ma do me fucking regardless. The reason why I'm so cold, I'm frost, I'm heartless. You wanna be a part of this? You don't wanna start of this. I'm working like a card in your pocket. I'm sorry. But anyway, I wanna go in the project. So matter of fact, hold on, you can't get them niggas profit.
I hit it from a